Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark choco brown, almost a burgundy brown color saree with beautiful prints and zari lines in the pallu with same color plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same running color with only the contrast buttas, that is the block printed design. We have a very different border design as well as the body design, that is a circle pattern, done using half white color. Beautiful dark base and the buttas are in light color. Very elegant with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange and red vertically divided pallu with the zari lines. Very beautiful pallu with red color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with zari borders on both sides, and one side we have a brown border. The saree is beautifully in orange color with the upper part and the lower part border. We have the beautiful fish motif design printed very elegantly on the half white base. The red and orange shades are used for printing, and a beautiful red border is given as well as a brown border is given in the lower part. Upper part is just the brown border. Beautiful design, excellent color combo with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. We have beautiful black pallu with zari lines and block printed vertical pattern, and we have same color black color blouse piece with a very contrast one side border, yellow color, body color is given on one side, a beautiful yellow, bright turmeric yellow color with the prints completely in black flower pattern, and we also have temple border which is very attractive in the saree. Elegant combination with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with yellow prints, the fish pattern along with zari lines in the pallu, and we have same blue blouse piece with one side dark blue color borders. It's a navy blue color saree with the borders of light blue in both sides, the Ananda color blue with the prints in yellow. On the center part we have the prints in half white and green. Beautiful one, blue and blue combination with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red, dark red color saree with same color pallu, zari lines and vertical printed design in the pallu with same color blouse piece. Very elegant color, almost maroon shade. Beautiful one, completely closely printed design, small design too. It is done in half white color with border design also printed, and we have beautiful zari border, gold zari border, which is also pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark ink blue, beautiful color, completely in same color. The pallu also in same color with zari lines and vertically printed design, and we have plain blouse piece in same color, Prussian dark blue it is, and we have beautiful same color with the prints in half white. Here and there a beautiful design is printed. It is a kind of floral, and we also have border designs printed in both sides of the saree. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue with mild green tinge color, almost a copper sapphire blue color pallu on saree with a contrast dark royal blue color blouse piece. The pallu have beautiful zari lines and block prints. The saree also in the same color, dark Ananda with mild green tinge, and we have the beautiful purple and blue printed block print design all over the saree. The borders are in royal blue, completely a blue based saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and white saree with black and white pallu, zari lines and beautiful block prints in half white color on black base, black blouse piece, majestic black, beautiful inkjet color, and this is the saree. Base color is half white with prints completely in black. The borders are in black as well with zigzag lines pattern horizontally printed. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu in the body color itself, rust color, rusty orange with block prints and zari lines, and we have a very contrast dark burgundy choco brown color blouse piece, a contrast one for the body. So our complete saree is in rust color with the borders in the pallu, blouse color, the burgundy color. The block prints are done in dark red and black. Here and there it's been printed. Very simple and very elegant color combination. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu with block print design and zari lines and a very different dark purple color blouse piece with one side royal blue color borders. The saree is in a very pretty shade. Half saree model as well. The top portion is completely in turquoise blue with batik printing and purple prints all over. The zari borders are in royal blue shade, and the lower half is completely green. In the top, plain green, and the lower half is printed. Half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu, fully zari lined pallu vertically with block printed design, and we have same pallu color blouse piece, pink one with one side orange borders, rust color, beautiful rusty orange color. The pink and orange are always the best combination, and you can see the very different rangoli pattern. Inside we have the tribal pattern as well with border design printed, and pink borders adds a beautiful look to the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, Prussian blue in a darker shade, almost in a navy shade. Same color blouse piece, a printed blouse piece, very different one with royal blue one side. Different shades of blue you can see in this saree. The saree color is also very pretty with very beautiful half white prints all over printed. Very closely printed design. Multiple designs used, as well as we have a border design on it. Excellent blue saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a black pallu with zari lines and vertical printed version of block prints, and we have the plain blouse piece, black one with one side maroon borders. The saree is in beautiful maroon shade, pale maroon color with prints in black, and we also have the borders in the black base. Lower bottom we have a half white border as well with the black color floral pattern printed. Excellent beautiful color saree, different design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark royal blue color pallu with white prints, and we also have zari lines on black base. Same royal blue color, bright blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in grey base with beautiful prints that is closely printed in half white color. The borders are in royal blue, and the border is extended in the lower half with beautiful white prints, the mango design and leaf pattern. Elegant combination, very beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green, light green color pallu with zari lines, and we also have white with block prints in blue. Same light green color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in half white color, creamy half white with the pallu color borders on both sides with zari border, and we also have the prints in the lower half of the saree that is done using magenta color, and we have small prints as well with our design in the very elegant one, beautifully done with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. Here we have a very beautiful, very different green shade, almost an algae green shade with same color blouse piece. The pallu have zari lines, zari border. The complete saree is a printed one with two different kind of blocks used, rangoli pattern as well as a Kodi design, that is the floral kind, that is done in half white, and the rangoli have multiple colors. A very beautiful, simple and elegant, different color saree with an authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and violet base color saree, very excellent one, different color with dark burgundy choco brown color and pink mixed color. It is very different color. Blouse piece. Saree is in purple and blue mix, light color with the prints in dark blue and burgundy, and we also have a lower border that is in burgundy base color. Very elegant one, multiple prints used for it. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with multicolors. You can see blue, green and red shades with block prints and zari lines, and we have the blue copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side the brick red color borders. The saree is a very different color, a pastel shade, mild green tinge, so olive green tinge with the prints in very different dark green and red. Two different kind of printing, the leaf pattern as well as a very different pattern in the top. Again a blue portion is given in the lower half. Multiple designs printed in the saree, very different, rare collection, rare color combination with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful half white base saree with blue, a light blue color pallu, same blue blouse piece, zari borders, and we have a beautiful zari lines in the pallu. The saree is completely half white, almost a cream color, little creamy, very beautiful color it is, with the prints completely done using the blue, the Kodi pattern, leaves pattern as well as the rose pattern printed in the saree. Very elegant one, a classy looking tussar with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with yellow and black prints, and we also have zari lines with the same grey blouse piece. And one side we have a pink border for the blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful pink shade, excellent printing on it. On both sides we have the grey base color with border design also printed. Yellow is used for the printing, so it is very contrast and very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black and brown mixed color saree, brown base and block prints on it. We have black blouse piece also, completely black with the print completely done on base dark brown. You see very different concept, fully black in the top with antique finish borders in both sides. On this portion we have the base in dark brown color. Very different one with zigzag lines and multiple designs printed using half white. Very elegant black majestic saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree completely in magenta pink, a darker shade, almost a violetish pink it is, and you can see the beautiful color used for the block prints, half white with zari lines vertically done. Plain blouse piece in same color. It's a running color concept, little darker shade, almost a burgundy shade it is. Very elegant one. You can see the prints completely mango pattern and border pattern. Everything done using half white color. Very elegant, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark turmeric yellow color saree, completely in the same color, pallu also, with prints in burgundy red, and we have same color, plain blouse piece. Beautiful color, printed contrast color even for the prints alone. Otherwise it's completely in single color saree. Elegant mango design prints, one in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom. Beautiful one, simple but very attractive with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful a blue, it's almost a Ananda blue color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Simple pretty one. And we have a very contrast dark magenta color, magenta pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is in very different color choices. The top portion is completely half white with blue prints, and the lower border a big blue border, and the lower border type is printed using the floral, the Vanasingaram concept, and we have magenta pink and green colors. Very different prints in the top and lower portion. A half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a very beautiful grey pallu here with zari lines and same grey blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is in beautiful parrot green color, a dark shade parrot green. Very elegant one and a rare one in the Tassa combination. You can see the beautiful prints in pink and half white. The borders are in grey piece. Very elegant stuff with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the tribal design printed in the pallu. Same dark red color, almost a maroonish red it is, blouse piece. The saree is also having a beautiful batik concept printed all over. Tribals vertically printed on red base. Saree actually is in half white base color. You can see the greyish green color prints, batik prints. And we also have zigzag lines in both sides of the saree done using yellow and red. Elegant one, very different one too with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful green shade. We also have a turquoise blue shade in the pallu, purple, multiple colors with zari lines and block print design. Light green color blouse piece, very contrast one for the body color. The body is in very different color. It is almost in turquoise blue with dark blue prints, and the borders are in green here. Multiple designs used for printing. Very excellent, closely printed, different design saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful and contrast saree, a magenta pink pallu, beautiful color, dark shade, same color blouse piece with one side blue borders. Pallu have beautiful jari lines as well, vertically it's been done, and the saree is in very pretty royal blue shade. Very elegant one with the borders in pink, and we have prints only in the lower half of the saree. Elegantly yellow and white is used for the printing. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink color blouse and pallu. Pallu have beautiful zari lines and eagle pattern printed on it. We have a same dark magenta pink color blouse piece with one side blue borders. We also have owl pattern printed in the lower bottom. Beautiful owls it is, done using magenta pink color on white base. The borders are also, the zari borders are also on pink base, and the saree is in blue, Ananda blue with prints in dark blue color. Different saree, very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark red color saree, completely in the same color. The pallu also with block prints and zari lines, same color blouse piece. Running color, but a very attractive color it is. Dark red, beautiful one with zari borders and antique finish border, and we also have printed one in the lower half alone. Almost a half and half pattern. The lower half is completely printed using the half white color. Elegant and excellent color, attractive color saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful running pallu with zari lines and zari border. Rust color blouse piece, contrast one with one side grey borders. You can see the rust color comes in the pallu also. Complete grey saree with the rust color borders. The zari border is done on rust base. with the floral printing done here and there. Block printed, beautiful color. Yellow one, half white is used for the printing. Elegant and simple saree with contrast border and comes with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful different color saree, a blue and green mixed color it is, almost a sea blue with mild green tinge, and same color pallu with the zari lines and white block prints. Excellent color, a pastel sea blue and green mixed color. Beautiful one, the block prints also very different. And you can see the border design completely printed using half white color. Excellent color combination saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful rusty orange color saree. The complete saree is in single color with fresh prints in green, same color blouse piece. Zari lines in the border, vertically it's been done. Completely in same color, very different color. You can see the rest look of the saree with the prints completely in a green. That is also very different. You can see the animals, the heart pattern, everything done in beautiful green. Excellent color saree with excellent printing contrast nature with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with block prints and zari lines done vertically, and we have same royal blue color blouse piece, very contrast one to the body. The body is in green and it is almost an olive shade green, very elegant one with the prints in dark blue, a floral pattern, and we also have the zari borders done on lobes. Excellent combo, the contrast nature combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a maroon shade with zari lines and block prints, and we have same maroon blouse piece. The saree is a very different one. You can see only the top half we have maroon, except that fully it is half white color on it. Black is used for printing, very different block prints used here. Very elegant one, very different one too. All over the saree is printed in the same way with the borders around in maroon shade. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a purple color pallu with zari lines and vertical printed block print design, and we have very beautiful same purple color blouse piece with zari borders. The complete saree is in beautiful purple shade, no contrast, and we have the border design in green and white, and in lower part we have a half white portion with the purple prints, the mango pattern. Very elegant dark color saree, the beautiful design, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, yellow and pink shade vertically done along with zari lines and block prints, and the same pink color blouse piece, completely pink with zari borders along. And the saree is in yellow base. It's a very different yellow, almost in a goldish mango yellow shade. And we have the top with half white base color. In the bottom we have the yellow base itself with the prints. Very different design, elegant one too with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bottle green color pallu with printing in black, and we have the same bottle green blouse piece. One side we have the black border. The complete saree is in black and green combo. Excellent majestic black on the top, the zari borders on green base. We also have a big border on the lower half with the prints that is done in the pallu also. And next we have the checkerboard pattern, half white and black checks pattern. Very elegant one, very different and very beautiful design. An excellent color combo, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color saree with prints in the pallu and zari lines also in the pallu. Same running color, same color blouse piece also, completely in single color concept with only the Buttas and the prints are in contrast half white color. Very elegant design. The mango printed in both sides of the saree beautifully along with the border design. Excellent color also with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed oiled Tussar fabric. We have a beautiful maroon color pallu with green floral prints and zari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body with one side grey borders. The saree is in grey in color with big floral prints, green and half white used for the rose design printing, and the both top and bottom border we have the maroon base with the forest design printed all over using half white. A lady with a deer with beautiful trees design. Excellent one with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red and yellow color in the pallu with zari lines, a perfect bright red it is. Same color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is a very different and dark shade color, multiple color. Mainly in brown shades we can see. Here and there yellow and red colors are also present. With closely printed design, completely a floral pattern done using half weight. The borders are on red base. Elegant saree, very different one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful Prussian blue color saree, completely in same color, pallu also with zari lines and block prints, and we have plain blouse piece. A very pretty color, rare color in the Tussar base. Very elegant one with minimum prints. Here and there it is being printed. Very elegant stuff. Simple and very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark purple color, violetish purple it is, with a very contrast pallu, rusty orange, different concept, completely in a very contrast natured pallu blouse piece. Pallu is in body color, the blouse piece is in contrast color. You can see the complete saree is in the dark purple shade, beautiful one, very rare color in Tussar, and the prints are completely vertically printed all over very closely. That is also beautiful, a simple and a very elegant saree in a very different color when it comes to the authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a light green color, a very different radiant light green with the prints completely in a dark maroon color, same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in running same color. Only the prints are done in the contrast base color, dark burgundy brown it is. Very different floral printed in both sides of the saree, both borders. We also have zari borders which adds beautiful saree. Very elegant and simple saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with zari lines. Same maroon color blouse piece, pallu color one and contrast one for the body. Very elegant saree, different printed almost like batik. Beautiful half white color and on it red is used for the batik kind printing, and we have very darkly printed grey color rose design print all over the saree. The borders are in half white base itself with authentic silk.